By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless and notch-free iPhone experience. Let's get started. First, use a black wallpaper to blend the notch with your background. Here's how you do it. To start, unlock your iPhone and head to the home screen. From there, locate the Settings app, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Once inside, scroll down until you find the Wallpaper option and select it. This will take you to the Wallpaper settings where you can choose a new background for your device. Next, tap on Choose a new wallpaper. You will be presented with several options including dynamic, stills, and live wallpapers. For this purpose, we want to select a still wallpaper. Scroll through the available options until you find a solid black image. If a black wallpaper is not available, you can download one from the internet or use a photo editing app to create one. After selecting the black wallpaper, you will be given a preview of how it will look on your home screen and lock screen. Make sure it covers the entire screen and blends seamlessly with the notch at the top. Once you are satisfied with the preview, tap Set and choose whether you want it to appear on your home screen, lock screen, or both. By using a black wallpaper, you effectively hide the notch, creating a more uniform and aesthetically pleasing appearance for your iPhone. This simple change can make a significant difference in how your device looks and feels. Next, enable dark mode to reduce the notch's visibility across all your apps. You can also try apps that hide the notch by adding a custom black bar at the top of your screen. Just download one from the App Store and follow the steps. These apps are designed to seamlessly blend the notch into the background, making it less noticeable and giving your screen a more uniform appearance. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, open it to explore the various customization options available. You can choose from different styles of black bars, some of which may even include additional features like battery percentage or other useful information. After selecting your preferred style, save the settings and enjoy a cleaner, more aesthetically pleasing screen. Show off your new look to friends and family, and you might find that they are impressed with the sleek appearance of your phone. If you enjoy customizing your phone, you might also want to explore other apps that offer different ways to personalize your device. From themes and wallpapers to widgets and icons, there are countless options available to make your phone truly unique. With a little creativity and the right apps, you can transform your phone into a reflection of your personal style. So go ahead, explore the App Store, and start customizing your phone today. You'll be amazed at the difference a few simple changes can make. Finally, try using landscape mode when watching videos or playing games. The notch becomes almost invisible. These quick tricks can make your iPhone screen look much cleaner. Give them a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech hacks.